Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We're in a restaurant today and we gotta take a look at a plug drain that's backing up. Let's go see what we find. Wow.
Putting hot water for that? Well, it's not working now.
Oh yeah. My machine is frozen. Crazy, eh? And that's it. All right, I'll be back in a minute with some paperwork. All right, guys, there you go. So, hope you guys liked the video. If you guys click on my face right here, I think. No, it's actually over here. It'll give you the chance to subscribe, give you the choice to subscribe. And then you can click on a video here and then up here as well. And you can check out those videos if you guys like this one. So until next time, this has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Taragna.